In this video, you'll learn how to hire an AI agent in Paperclip. This process involves several steps that will guide you through the setup and configuration of your new agent. Begin by navigating to the Issues section within Paperclip. Look for the menu option labeled Issues and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage various issues related to your agents. Once you are on the Issues page, you will see a recommendation stating, we recommend letting your CEO handle agent setup. They know the org structure and can configure reporting, permissions, and adapters. You will need to proceed by selecting the option that states, I want advanced configuration myself. This choice allows you to customize the agent setup according to your preferences. After selecting the advanced configuration option, you will be directed to a new screen. Here, locate and click on OpenClaw Gateway. This action will take you further into the configuration process, specifically for the OpenClaw adapter. Next, look for the button labeled New Agent on the OpenClaw Gateway page. Click on it to initiate the creation of your new AI agent. This action will open a new form where you can enter the details of in the new agent creation form, type the name of the agent you wish to create into the designated field. This step is crucial as it identifies the agent within the system. After entering the name, proceed to the next step. Now click on the adapter option to select the appropriate adapter for your agent. This will allow you to configure how the agent interacts with other systems and data sources. After selecting the adapter, you will need to click on adapter type. This will lead you to a list of available adapter types. Choose the one that's your requirements best. Continue by clicking on OpenClaw Gateway from the list of adapter types. This selection ensures that your agent is configured to work with the OpenClaw system. Next, you will see another option labeled Gateway URL. Click on this to specify the URL that connects your agent to the OpenClaw Gateway. This step is essential for establishing communication. You will need to type in the gateway URL of OpenClaw in the provided field. Ensure that the URL is accurate, as this will determine your agent's connectivity. Once you have entered the gateway URL, click on Create Agent. This action submits your agent's details and begins the creation process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the agent has been successfully created. Now, navigate to your agent's dashboard by clicking on Inbox. This will take you to the inbox where you can view and manage your agents. In the inbox, locate and click on Hire Agent Jarvis. This option allows you to proceed with hiring the AI agent you just created. After selecting the Hire option, you will be prompted to click on Approve. This step confirms your intention to hire the agent and moves you forward in the process. Once you've approved the hiring, look for the confirmation message that states approval confirmed. This message confirms that your action has been processed successfully. Finally, click on Open Hired Agent. This will take you to the dashboard of the newly hired agent, where you can begin utilizing its capabilities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.